News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert Weather.
For those of us who spend all of our time here in the valley, or most of our time here in the valley, not a whole lot of change in the weather from yesterday to today. We saw some partial clearing this afternoon for some peaks of blue sky and sunshine, and many of us woke up to some patchy, locally dense fog early this morning. But for the mountain locations that had clear blue skies and sunshine through the better part of the weekend, there was some change today. A weak disturbance moving by to our north actually brought some light snow showers to parts of the west central mountains. Nothing appreciable there, but it's something, and it was a change to the weather. Ultimately, though, high pressure still in control, and that means the temperature inversion is still in place. And I showed you those highs a little bit earlier, where Stanley hit 32 for a high today, as well as Boise. So that's that warmer air upstairs in the atmosphere, and the cool, dense air staying here in the valley locations, not going anywhere. That's why the air stagnation advisory remains in effect until Friday. As far as our air quality is concerned, it's not an air quality alert that's in place right now. If that changes, of course, we'll update you as soon as it changes. But for now, our air quality has remained largely in the green or at the bottom of the yellow or moderate category, sort of in the 50s here, so mostly acceptable. And again, if there are any changes, we'll of course update you on air and online at ktvb.com. So here is the look above the clouds here, giving us a better idea of what this weather pattern is doing right now. And where I'm encouraged with a little relief from the inversion is that this isn't a big amplified ridge as it was all throughout the weekend. There's a weak disturbance, as I mentioned before, moving by today, and then this plume of moisture with a flattened out ridge may actually have a chance of making its way into southern Idaho and maybe bringing some inches of snow to our mountain locations. So this is good news. It's brief relief, but it's something, and it kind of breaks up the monotony of our weather pattern as we've seen through the last several days. The ridge will rebuild as we head into the weekend and next week, but for now, I'm focusing on this. This is what I'm choosing to focus on. As you can see, into Thursday, getting some snow showers and perhaps some rain-snow mix here in the valley locations, and maybe some lingering scattered snow showers into Friday as well. So what is the snow potential? Just one run of one forecast model, but again, these numbers very encouraging to me. 2 to 4 inches up through our central mountains, west central mountains being a big winner here. And the farther north you go, the more snow you will see. Down here in the valley, maybe the potential for a coating along the foothills, or in places that are cold enough, like Mountain Home, maybe could see a coating on grassy surfaces. That's not until Thursday. So for tomorrow, more of the same of what we experienced today. Magic Valley forecast, upper 20s, partly cloudy skies, starting with fog. Expect that fog to become locally dense overnight again tonight in the Magic Valley. Central Mountains looking for warmer temperatures, maybe by a degree warmer than where we were today. West Central Mountains, upper 20s will do it for the McCall, Donnelly, Cascade area. And into the Treasure Valley, we're looking for highs that'll be in the low to mid 30s again tomorrow, starting with fog, some partial clearing in the afternoon, and wind remains light. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow is Groundhog's Day, more of the same, not technically Groundhog's Day, but you get what I'm saying. And then into Wednesday, potential for flurries. It's really Thursday I'm focused on, Morgan, as I mentioned before. This is good news. Brief relief, but it's something.
Yeah, exactly. We need it. All right, Bree, thank you.